Okay, put the lid on.
Put the lid on. Let's go and put the lid on. Turn. Woo! Let's see what we got. We got Molly Moccasin. Let's place her right over here. Woo! Oh, no.
Okay, Dean, your turn.
1, 2, 3. Oh, no, Dean.
It's not coming out.
You have to turn it this way.
Oh.
I'll do it for you. There. Hi guys, welcome back to Sophia and Dean Toy Tube. And we have Shopkins.
And it's called Sweet Spot.
From the the Sweet Fair. And we brought some extra Shopkins with us. So here we have Jiggly Jelly.
Cheeky chocolate. Dennis Ball.
And we have Pancake Jake.
Snorky.
Oh, I think that's too far. We have Prickles.
And we'll have 2 others to add to the collection, right?
Yeah.
What's in the Sweet Spot? What's in the Sweet Spot collection?
Oh, so we have this candy cane that we could carry. Here's the back, and here's the front. But you can put your Shopkins inside here, and if you turn it, the Gumball will fall out, and it will appear over here, and then it will open, and then there will be a Shopkins surprise, and there's 2 bags. That's a candy bag.
What are you going to put in the candy bag?
You could put any Shopkin inside here, and it's fun.
Really?
So let's get started.
Okay.
Me and my brother will help me. Ooh, the candy shop is cool. Ooh, so here is the candy box.
There's some scissors here.
Oh, ooh, scissors. I got some scissors, Dean, so let's cut it open. I'm trying to rip off the candy cane right now, and it's pretty hard.
You can't rip
This is how you turn it. Oh, a green one just came out.
But there's nothing.
Let me show you how it works. So you close the shop. This looks okay, but... So here are the Shopkins we got. I think this is a mango or jelly bean. It looks like a mango or jelly bean. I definitely know this is a candy apple.
Or the yellow thing could be a gumdrop.
So I want to see this candy bag, and it's blank, but let's take a closer look.
What are you going to put in there?
Oh, Shopkins. It could also fit your own Shopkins like this. And you could fit 2 inside here. Could fit
2? Wow.
See?
Try. Excellent.
Ugh. You have to tug hard. Here's the cart, and it's like full of candy, and you could put your own Shopkins on here, and they could go like writing on here.
Wheel it around?
Yeah. Ah! And here's the candy rail.
Where you put
Can
your
you
Shopkins?
Put some more Shopkins on there?
Okay.
Dean, why don't you put your Shopkins on there too?
Dean has a side and here's your side. I accidentally forgot that was your side in this.
How many can fit on there?
Only 3 of my Shopkins have holes.
Go ahead, Dean.
That looks like licorice.
It is licorice.
It's a licorice stick?
Yay! Yeah, it is a licorice. And the joy of the candy cane is you cannot open it.
Show the back.
So here
What does
is
it
the
say?
front. Here's the back. It says
Sweet Spot.
Is it a candy shop entrance?
yes.
Show everybody again. Because it has doors,
Yeah.
but it doesn't open, right?
Yeah.
But then you can put your little Shopkins on the display rack.
And let's fill up the gumball machine with toys. Here's pink. Pink. We have pink. Green.
Okay.
Yellow. Red. Orange.
Okay.
And
Are you
now-
gonna fill those? You can
Yes.
fill those, or put it down empty, right?
Ugh.
And I'm gonna put the cheeky chocolate ball that's blue in the
Okay.
vending, in the gumball machine, and apple blossom that is green in the gumball machine.
The liquor stand fell down.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm going to try to close it.
Okay.
Okay.
Put the lid on.
Put the lid on. Let's go and put the lid on. Turn. Woo! Let's see what we got. We got Molly Moccasin. Let's place her right over here. Woo! Oh, no.
Okay, Dean, your turn.
One, 2, 3.
Oh, no, Dean.
It's not coming out.
You have to turn it this way.
Oh,
I'll do it for you. There.
here. I got apple blossom.
Yay!
Yay! The one that you put in there. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Turn, blue. Cheeky chocolate.
Do you want to put it on the display shelf, Dean?
Which is it? Oh,
The
here.
Yeah.
shelf.
You can decorate the shelf.
Red. Yay! Melly mushroom.
Cute.
Oh, you dropped your ball.
Ah!
You dropped the ball. So, my turn. 1, 2, 3.
The other way.
I got cupcake pudding. I don't know. what
No,
it is.
it's what is that? A smashed potato.
Really? I think it's cupcake. It's a cupcake.
Let's see what's inside here. There might be two. Oh, and
Oh,
there is
there's
two. So here's Jules. Oh, oopsies. Really mushroom fell down. And here's Polly Piano.
And is there any more?
Yeah. Now let's put Shopkins in the gumball machine without the balls.
Is that possible?
Yes.
Let's see.
Open it up. Put them inside.
Load them all up?
Take the
Load
Shopkins
Wow,
off.
your entire
Look at
collection?
what
Oh
got.
no, Dean, could
Some
you get the
Shopkins
Shopkins
fell
up,
off.
Bella?
Okay, that might be enough, right?
Stuff, Jules, woo, stuff Jules, stuff the bun,
Table.
stuff Cindy bun, and then let's put on the
Take it
top. Let's put on the top,
Put the top on.
And now
and I'll go first. I got Pilly Potato.
Whoa! Yeah, put it on the cart.
I got pancake Jake. Hooray!
Your turn.
Ah, too many Shopkins. Turn it that way. It's stuck.
It's stuck.
Too
Maybe
many
there's too many in there.
Shopkins. Take out some. Ugh. Ugh. Too much Shopkins. doesn't count.
My turn.
Here we are.
Well, 3 came out at once there, right?
At least one
Wow.
spot big.
Oh.
Yeah, I got
Which one is it?
fish flakes.
Oh.
I don't know what this one is, but it's a pet can. I know.
Oh, I think that's chocolate syrup. I think.
Yeah, it is chocolate syrup.
Wait, no.
Bye, guys. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. But there's a couple more.